15, Thursday the 10th of October. That's at the Pai Festival. I'll show you what we've got. That's hot and spicy, I'm sure. And we've got song dishes today, morning song and cucumber rice. I'm here earlier, so yes, just from 9:15 AM. Daily dose of food, and then the plan is today to get the hammock. But we're washing it to be in storage, so it's soaking in cleaning washing powder, soaking, and then we will get it up. Have a look at the view first, we'll take you. Okay, I believe the sun will be down in about 15-20 minutes, so we're going to try and get our hammock up when we can. Succeeded in record-breaking time. We have our hammock up, and look at where it is. We have a lovely view. We can sleep or wake up there. We have our choice. Sunrise is this direction. That's perfect. The green netting. And we have our steady bamboo to give us a sway. Okay, so if you've been watching, then please give us a like, share and a subscribe, as it helps the channel to grow, and I will see you on the next video. Khopkhunkhap. Okay, so it's the morning after, and we now have the hammock to enjoy. So we're going to jump in. Khopkhunkhap. Okay, I believe this will be the final finishing touch. Comfort.